It's simple time and this is Chef Tato and magluluto naman tayo ng isang base recipe na lagi nating ninuluto sa bahay, yung giniling. Let's get cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of the Simpol Cookbook series, kaya grab a copy now kasi we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. So, yung gagawin natin, yung pinaka-basic na formula or pinaka-basic na recipe ng giniling. We have golden fiesta canola oil and my pan is hot enough now and I begin to saute my garlic. So, very basic lang, no? Bawang sibuyas lang. So, we start with our garlic and we follow with onions. We have minced onions. So, we're sauteing our onions now. So, once you've achieved that, we will put our tomatoes, kamatis, and always, pag nagigisa tayo, sinasama natin yung buto kasi yung seeds niya has that umami, no? As soon as our tomatoes become tender, meron tayong pork giniling from Fresh Options. Ito siya. Once you have this ready, you can proceed and add other ingredients. So, we season very simply with Dato Puti soy sauce and black pepper. So, it's a very basic recipe. You can't go wrong. So, look at that. That's good enough for now, no? Pero you can also fancy it up. So, hindi siya standard, no? Ano yung gusto mong idagdag, pwede mo idagdag. In this case, ang idadagdag ko ay carrots. Yeah, just diced carrots. Potatoes, yung potatoes, binabad natin sa tubig para hindi mangitim. And red bell peppers, diced also. So we just let that cook. And tatakpan ko lang siya hanggang maluto yung aking vegetables. Very simple. I have water and cornstarch. Look at that. I just dissolve my cornstarch in water. Yan. Beat my eggs. And I add my slurry. Yan. Look at that. And I season, of course, with salt and pepper. Yan. Always season your food, ha? Kasi pag walang seasoning, walang lasa. On the other pan, yung gagawin ko ay iinitin ko na siya. And titignan ko yung aking giniling. Look at that. Halos luto na siya. Yan. Very simple. And lastly, I add my green peas. Yan. And that's done. Yan. I'll put some here. Yan. So, ito medyo bakapal yung gagawin ko na torta, ha. And I pour my egg mixture. Look at that. And I cover it up. Cover it up so that maluto din yung taas para mas madali siyang mag-firm up. Yan. Let it cook probably for 10 to 12 minutes before natin babalik ta rin, no? Yan, luto na yung ating giniling. Look at that. Very simple, very straightforward. Lalagyan ko ng raisins, no? So we just saute, add in the raisins, and I'll check on my, and yung giniling natin naluto na. Yan, may konting side dish. Imagine mo sa konting, di ba? 350 grams ang natin na giniling. May dalawang ulam na tayo. Ako, happy na ako dito. And look at that, our torta, look at that. It's already firm on the sides. Look at that, ha? So actually, eto, kailangan mo lang ng konting confidence. Babalik ta rin natin. So, hindi natin i-flip using spatula. We're gonna flip it, no? Using a plate. Yan, dapat yung plate mo medyo magkasukat ng konti or may konting extra. And, ito siya. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready? Yan. Flip. Yan, look at that. And, ang ganda ng ating torta. And, isa-slide lang natin siya pabalik dito sa ating pan. Yan. So, it cooks evenly. Again, you have to manage the heat na hindi masyadong malakas para hindi mag-itim-itim yung inyong torta. Yan. Cover it. And let's look at our torta. Look, ang ganda niya. Umalasa siya, oh. when you press it, lumubog pa yung daliri mo. Ibig sabihin, hilaw pa siya kasi egg pa siya sa likod, hindi pa siya naging torta, di ba? Let it slide into our plate. Yan. 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 Ang sarap-sarap dito, guys. Super happy ng ating ulam today. Here it is, our version of a simple giniling and tortang giniling. 2-in-1 with one basic recipe. Tingnan nyo yan. Simple na simple. Kaya tandaan nyo guys, kahit sino kaya magluto. Basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!